All right, guys, let me spin the wheel. Let's see what we got. All right, we have a table and they want us to calculate the average rate of change. I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to show you how to use the slope formula, and I'm going to show you how to use the calculator as well. So it says average rate of change. Whenever they give you the average, whenever they ask for the average rate of change, they have to give you 2 points. They have to give you a start and a finish. Otherwise, you can't calculate it. So in this case, they're saying they want the interval from 1 to 3. So that means we want this point right here, and we want this point right here. So we want only those 2 points. We don't want the rest of the table. We only want those 2 points. So I'm going to use the slope formula because average rate of change is nothing more than the slope, right? So it's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to say 10, the y's, minus 2.5 divided by 1 minus 3. So that's going to be a negative 2 on the bottom because 1 minus 3 is a negative 2. And $10 minus 250 is going to be $750. So now if we divide this in half, if we divide 750 in half, we will have a negative 375. So the answer for this one is a negative 375. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the calculator as well. So I'm going to go here. Let me make this larger so you can see everything. So I'm just going to go to the spreadsheet. And at the top, I'm going to put X, Y, X and Y. And then I'm just going to put 1, and then 10, and then I'm going to put 3, and I'm going to put 2.5. And from here, all I'm going to do is go to the data and statistics. It's going to be X, and this is going to be Y. And then I just do menu 461 because we are looking for the slope. So menu 461, and it tells us that the slope is a negative 3.75, which we calculated. So you can use this for sure. But the one thing I want you guys to be careful of is usually when you have a table, most students enter the whole table. You do not do that when you are trying to find the average rate of change. I call it AROC. All right. You only use the 2 points that they give you. That's it. That's the only thing you got to be careful of. But the answer for this is a negative 3.75. That's it. There are a few more questions in here that ask you to calculate the average rate of change. So I'm going to be linking to those if you want to go and look at a couple more examples of how this is done. All right, that's it. I'm going to stop and post this.